So you're thinking about becoming an indie game developer in 2025? That's adorable, really. But let me save you the heartbreak, the caffeine addiction, and the existential dread. Here's why you should absolutely, positively, under no circumstances become an alternative game dev today. 1. You'll compete with literal robots. AI can now generate entire games in the time it takes you to find your misplaced semicolon. While you're handcrafting pixel art at 3 a.m., some algorithm just spat out a procedurally generated masterpiece with dynamic lighting and emotional depth. Good luck with your lovingly buggy platformer. 2. Your bank account will cry. You'll spend hundreds on assets, software, and therapy. In return, you will earn approximately $3.17 and a comment that says, "This game sucks." Your game will be buried under 12,000 others that will be released on Steam in a week. 3. You'll learn everything and forget sleep. You'll become a programmer, artist, sound designer, writer, marketer, and bug exterminator. You'll also forget what sunlight looks like. Your social life will be replaced by error messages and Stack Overflow threads. 4. Bugs will become your spiritual animal. No matter how carefully you code, your game will crash when someone jumps while holding a banana and pressing Alt plus F4. You will fix one bug and spawn 3 more. It's like whack-a-mole, but the moles are on fire and screaming. 5. You'll be emotionally attached to a game no one plays. You'll pour your soul into a game about a lonely toaster finding love in a post-apocalyptic kitchen. It's deep, it's poetic, and no one will play it because it doesn't have loot boxes or battle passes. Your toaster deserves better. Becoming an alternative game developer today is like trying to build a sandcastle during a tsunami. Noble? Yes. Smart? Absolutely not. But if you're stubborn, passionate, and slightly unhinged, you'll probably do it anyway. And weirdly, we'll all be rooting for you. I love games, including indie games, but the reality is harsh. If you're developing an indie game today, you not only need talent, but also marketing, luck, and you need to have thick skin.